As we progress into 2024, the importance of AI skills in the job market is more evident than ever. With AI technologies permeating various industries, mastering these skills can significantly enhance one's career prospects and earnings potential. From healthcare to finance, transportation to entertainment, AI is transforming the way we live and work. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 high-income AI skills to master in 2024. We'll delve into in-demand certifications and courses that can equip you with the knowledge and expertise to excel in this rapidly evolving field. This program on Coursera provides a comprehensive understanding of data science. You'll learn data analysis using Python, gain practical experience through hands-on projects. The curriculum covers data science fundamentals and advanced concepts. Learn popular tools like Python, SQL, and Jupyter notebooks. Work on real-world projects to build confidence. Designed for beginners, this certificate prepares you for data science roles. Start your data science career with the IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. In today's data-driven world, extracting meaningful insights from data is paramount. The Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate on Coursera equips you to prepare, process, analyze, and share data. Dive deep into data analytics, covering data cleaning, transformation, and visualization. Learn industry-standard tools to analyze data and communicate findings clearly. Work on real-world projects, gaining practical experience for your career. This certificate prepares you for roles like data analyst, business analyst, and marketing analyst. For those interested in the cloud and machine learning, the AWS Machine Learning Certification is a valuable asset. This certification validates your ability to build, train, and deploy machine learning models using AWS services. You will gain practical experience working with Amazon SageMaker, a fully managed service that enables developers and data scientists to build, train, and deploy machine learning models quickly. The certification covers a wide array of machine learning concepts from basic algorithms to deep learning. It is a challenging certification that demonstrates your ability to apply machine learning concepts in a real-world cloud environment. Earning this certification can open doors to various machine learning roles, including machine learning engineer, cloud architect, and data scientist. AWS certification is highly recognized in the industry, showcasing your expertise in cloud-based machine learning. If you are looking to advance your career in machine learning and cloud computing, the AWS Machine Learning Certification is a significant step towards achieving your goals. Chapter 4, Coursera Deep Learning Specialization. This specialization, offered by me on Coursera, is designed for those looking to understand and apply deep learning. Deep learning, a powerful subset of machine learning, has gained immense popularity due to its ability to solve complex problems. This specialization covers a wide range of deep learning topics, including convolutional neural networks for image recognition, recurrent neural networks for sequence data, and generative adversarial networks for generating new data. You'll gain hands-on experience building and training deep learning models using popular frameworks like TensorFlow. Whether you're interested in computer vision, natural language processing, or any other field where deep learning is applied, this specialization provides the necessary skills and knowledge. Upon completion, you'll be able to design, build, and deploy deep learning models to solve real-world problems. The specialization is suitable for individuals with some programming experience and a basic understanding of machine learning concepts. If you're ready to dive deep into the world of deep learning, this specialization offers a comprehensive and practical learning experience. Chapter 5, Harvard University, CS50's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence with Python. Offered by Harvard University on edX, CS50's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence with Python provides a strong foundation in artificial intelligence concepts. This course explores the fundamentals of AI and how to implement them using Python. You will learn about various AI algorithms, including search algorithms, graph search algorithms, and constraint satisfaction problems. The course also delves into machine learning concepts such as supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. CS50's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence with Python is designed for individuals with some programming experience, preferably in Python. By the end of the course, you'll be able to implement AI algorithms using Python and gain a deeper understanding of how AI is transforming various industries. Whether you're interested in pursuing a career in AI or simply want to gain a foundational understanding of this rapidly growing field, this course is an excellent starting point. Stanford University Machine Learning. This course, offered by me on Coursera, focuses on the fundamentals of machine learning. It covers both supervised and unsupervised learning, providing a comprehensive understanding of core machine learning concepts. You will explore linear regression, logistic regression, support vector machines, and other essential machine learning algorithms. The course emphasizes mathematical intuition, helping you understand the underlying principles behind these algorithms. Stanford University's machine learning is designed for individuals with a strong mathematical background, preferably in linear algebra and calculus. Upon completion, you'll have a strong foundation in machine learning, enabling you to apply these concepts to various real-world problems. The course is ideal for individuals pursuing a career in machine learning or data science. If you're looking for a challenging and rewarding course that provides a deep understanding of machine learning, Stanford University's machine learning is an excellent choice. Title: Udacity AI for Everyone. This course, offered by me on Udacity, is designed to demystify AI for non-technical audiences. Whether you're a business professional, an entrepreneur, or simply curious about AI, this course provides a comprehensive overview of artificial intelligence. You will learn about AI terminology, use cases, and how to apply AI in different business contexts. The course covers the ethical considerations of AI, ensuring you understand the potential impact of this transformative technology. Udacity's AI for Everyone is designed for individuals with no prior experience in AI or computer science. Upon completion, you'll be able to identify AI opportunities, understand the capabilities and limitations of AI, and make informed decisions regarding AI adoption in your organization. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly course that provides a broad overview of AI and its implications, Udacity's AI for Everyone is an excellent option. Chapter 8 MIT OpenCourseWare Introduction to Computational Thinking and Data Science. Offered by MIT on edX, this course emphasizes the importance of computational thinking in solving data-driven problems. It covers fundamental concepts in data science, including data analysis, visualization, and machine learning. You will learn how to represent data using various data structures and algorithms. The course introduces you to Python programming, a widely used language in data science, and explores its applications in data analysis. MIT OpenCourseWare's Introduction to Computational Thinking and Data Science is designed for individuals with some programming experience. Upon completion, you'll be able to approach data-driven problems with a computational mindset and use Python to analyze and visualize data effectively. If you're interested in understanding the principles behind data science and its applications, this course provides a comprehensive and engaging learning experience. Chapter 9, Microsoft Certified Azure AI Engineer Associate. For those interested in cloud-based AI solutions, the Microsoft Certified Azure AI Engineer Associate certification is a valuable credential. This certification focuses on implementing AI solutions using Azure services. You will gain expertise in building, managing, and deploying AI solutions using Azure Cognitive Services, Azure Machine Learning, and Azure Bot Service. The certification covers various AI concepts including natural language processing, computer vision, and conversational AI. This certification demonstrates your ability to design, implement, and manage AI solutions on the Azure platform. Earning this certification can open doors to various AI engineering roles, including AI engineer, cloud solution architect, and data scientist. Microsoft certification is highly recognized in the industry, showcasing your expertise in cloud-based AI solutions. If you're looking to advance your career in AI and cloud computing, the Microsoft Certified Azure AI Engineer Associate certification is a significant step towards achieving your goals. Chapter 10, Data Camp, Data Science and Machine Learning Career Track. This career track offers a full-fledged curriculum for data science and AI roles. Covering Python, machine learning, and deep learning, it provides a comprehensive learning experience. Learn to manipulate and analyze data using Python libraries like Pandas and NumPy. The track covers various machine learning algorithms and offers hands-on coding exercises. Upon completion, you'll have a strong foundation in data science and machine learning. In conclusion, acquiring high-income AI skills is not just a good to have but a necessity in 2024. From providing lucrative career opportunities to giving you a competitive edge, these skills are essential for anyone looking to thrive in today's tech-driven world. Whether you choose to specialize in data science, machine learning, or AI engineering, the demand for skilled professionals in these fields continues to grow. Embrace the opportunity to elevate your career and unlock your earning potential. Embrace these courses and propel yourself into the exciting world of AI.